everyone. Welcome to our look at the upcoming week of December 28th in the binary options market. You can see very quiet week, as you would anticipate, because quite frankly, we have the New Year's Day celebrations coming up. So really the one lone exception as far as being open at that point in time will be the Chinese economic announcements, which are very important actually. Non-manufacturing PMI could give us an idea of perhaps how Chinese manufacturing is doing, which is a barometer on global trade. We do have a couple of other things to pay attention to during the week, though. We have ECB monetary policy meeting accounts, minutes, in other words. That could give us an idea on New Year's what the ECB is thinking. We pretty much know that, though, but a shock, of course, could move the markets. Initial jobless claims on New Year's could move U.S. Type of markets peripherally, but expect low liquidity. This is more than likely going to be very technically driven, short-term type of trading opportunity week. With that, let's take a look at a couple of the charts. Now, normally we would look at the weekly charts to try to glean some type of information as far as where we want to trade, but with this particular trading week being a bit different, we're going to choke up here to the 4-hour chart to get a perspective on what type of opportunities may be out there. The FTSE, as you can see, has rolled over a little bit at this 6280 level. Now, we don't think this is a change of the trend. We just think that the market needs to come back, try to find enough buying pressure and calls in order to turn things around. We would be very interested somewhere near 6150 in buying calls in the FTSE. We do recognize, though, that we could just go higher from here. And above 6280, we believe that the market's free to go back to the 6440 handle. So either way, we're buying calls only. We do not want to press our luck with buying puts at this point. This was a pretty significant move higher. Gold markets rather reliably have been trading in a pretty decent range here, fairly well defined. We did have a little bit of a breakdown here. At this point, though, it looks like basically between somewhere near 1065 and about 1090 is your range. It looks like we are going to go higher initially. Short-term call buying opportunities may present themselves, but above 1080, you have to start looking for resistive candles in order to start buying puts. One of our favorite currency trades is the US dollar versus Canadian dollar. You can see that we have gone a little bit stagnant here. Not a big surprise as we rolled into the Christmas holiday. It looks now as if this massive uptrend should continue, but the question then becomes, do we break higher? And if we do, we would be buyers of calls, or do we pull back somewhere closer to 1.37 and buy calls there? We actually prefer the pullback. It gives us a little bit of a momentum build in order to finally break above what should be rather psychologically significant resistance at the 1.40 level. We do believe in the longer term uptrend, though, and we do think that we'll break above 1.40. Just don't know exactly when. This is kind of a strange week to trade, so keep in mind that all profits are good and certainly can't be hurt taking them. Keep in mind that a lot of long-term moves won't be able to happen as the liquidity just won't be there.